this dawah work that you do in some of the villages in South Africa there, like, all these, we have spoken about that on the telephone, of areas where you all go and 30, 40 people, 40, 50 people convert, accept Islam, and need for the little masjids down there, and all these things that you all are doing. Tell us about that.
So part of our dawah is that we try and follow the orthodox way of doing things, where we go into a village and very simple. We know when Rasulullah sent Mu'adh bin Jabal radiallahu anhu to Yemen, first thing he told them, call the people to the oneness of Allah, call them to Tawheed. So we cook a pot of food, we go to a community. Alhamdulillah, in South Africa and many parts of the world, many people are very receptive to Islam. And I always say this, that this is a gift from Allah. We shouldn't keep it to ourselves. We should share it with others. So we would invite the people of the community or village to the local masjid, the local Jamaat Khana, or at a place where people can meet. And I would speak to them very basic about the oneness of Allah. This is the exact same type of dawah we did in West Africa, where we find people are worshipping the stars, people are worshipping the trees, people are worshipping the ancestors, some people are worshipping the devil, some people don't believe in anything. So we explain to them that the importance of worshipping only one creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And an attorney also, mashallah, he has a lot of knowledge with regards to the Bible. So many people, when they have questions, those questions are also answered. And if in the gathering somebody wants to take the shahada, we let them take the shahada and we embrace them, and then we connect them to the local masjid of the community, and then we also do a follow-up from there as well. So in the different areas we work in, we have different brothers who are the amirs in those areas, and they follow up on those brothers who take the shahada. And then we have a weekly study circle. So even though they might be working or they might be busy, but there's a time stipulated for them where they come once a week, and then they study the deen of Allah. And alhamdulillah, this, the caravan is moving, people are taking shahada, and we are spreading the work, alhamdulillah.
Listen, that is so unique. When I visited South Africa in 1994, uh, yes, alhamdulillah, I remember saying to myself and a couple brothers that were with me, I was like, if Muslims will go out to the villages and meet all these people, because we drove through some of these villages, and I was like, if Muslims will go to these villages and meet these people, I'm sure they will be accepting Islam in a great way. And this is what you guys do. I mean, I gotta come visit that. That is unique, right?
Inshallah, definitely. Sheikh, your visit to South Africa is long overdue, long overdue. And we'll bring Al Hikmah TV to South Africa, and then to Mewat as well, inshallah.
Yes, I would love to go and check out those villages. I mean, some of those pictures that you sent me of people all in the way down and all the countryside, and they all sitting there accepting Islam. You guys got people by the hundreds who accept Islam in that part of Africa. That is phenomenal. That
Alhamdulillah.
is a great blessing. Listen, words cannot express the virtues and the blessings in you all working with those people. Mashallah. Well, you know what, Malan?